Hello everyone, you are watching Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. Today we can discuss factorial number in Python language. How to display factorial number in Python programming. First we can create the file, Python file. Right click, new, select new, click file, then write file name factorial number, factorial number.py Python. Click finish. Now I will read data from console. That's why n equal to int bracket input, inside the input enter the number. Then I will declare fact equal to 1. This is starting of the factorial. Now I will write for loop for I in range 1 comma n plus 1 colon, then fact into equal to I, then print the factorial number. Print factorial of factorial of 0 is comma fact. Fact. Now we can run the program. Right click, run as Python run. Now enter the value 5, 120. 5 is 120. Need to write format n comma fact, and display this one number 5. That format, write like this. And as you can check the value 5. Now is display. This is the n value we are reading from the console. Now I will declare fact is equal to 1. This is a starting point. I will write for loop for I is equal to for I in range of 1 plus n plus 1. 1 means starting a 1. That means this value need to start with 1. I value need to start with 1. N plus 1. N plus 1 means this is the n value. You need to write n plus 1. Now fact equal to, that means fact equal to fact into I. You can write like this. This is a shortcut form. Otherwise you can write like this also. This is also should work. Right click, run as Python. Now I will enter 5 value. Now it's display 20. You can write both ways. Fact value will display. Now this is the calculating the fact value. Then we are printing the value. The dot format, that means this value is printing, that means of 0 printing. Then we can write the fact value. You need to display the value. That's why this is printing like this. Fact value, that means factorial number, we can display. This is the today's program. I am requesting, could you please subscribe and support me, my channel. Thank you for watching. We will meet next video.